show you how to find the reciprocal of a decimal. So in this question, it says, what is the reciprocal of 0.6? So what you need to do first is write the decimal as a fraction. So for example, 0.6 can be rewritten as 6/10. Then, if you can, simplify the fraction. So here we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so now we've simplified the fraction. There's one more step. All you have to do is switch that fraction upside down. So the numerator becomes the denominator and vice versa. So the reciprocal is 5/3.